I'm so excited for this video. It's gonna be so fun. Hi guys, it's Doreen and welcome back. It is so good to see you guys back here. Today I'm gonna be doing another review video, and these are gonna be on the black Gucci tights. I have done a video previously about the white/ivory Gucci tights, but this time I have the black ones and they are from the official Gucci store. This is gonna be kind of like a comparison video from the Essence website compared to the Gucci website. Obviously they are the same product, but I'm just talking about the packaging and just the experience and just what I recommend. So I did actually go to the Gucci store in Beverly Hills, I think a few days ago, and I did vlog my experience. It was my first time actually buying something so luxurious from the official store of Gucci, and I really enjoyed my experience, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna post that vlog at some point, but I don't know, we'll see. But I just want to go ahead and get right into this review, so let's get into it. The first thing I want to mention is that obviously the packaging is very different. I did actually find the black Gucci tights again on the Essence website, and I did order them and they arrived, and they were just not what I was expecting. I mean, the quality wasn't bad, but definitely with the packaging and just, it was a little bit more expensive for some reason, so I'm probably just going to return those ones or sell them, I don't know, but I just think that having it from the official Gucci store is just going to be a lot better. They didn't actually have these available on the website, and I did check and I did contact customer service and I asked them if they had any more available, and they said that they were actually completely out of stock online, but that they could check in local stores for me. And they did say that in Beverly Hills they did have the size that I wanted in stock. But yeah, so I went to the store and it was really a fun experience. The guy who helped me, his name was Jesus, and he was super helpful and very kind and just got through the process super quickly, which was awesome. And I got to browse around the store itself, and just, it felt like a very nice experience. So I asked him to gift wrap it, and that means that it would come in a little gift box like this, or a little bag. And I do know that they used to have them in black and white, which I think honestly looks nicer, but the green is just something new, I guess, some rebranding, I don't know, but here we go. So here we actually have the tights in this little box, and it looks like this, and it's all wrapped up so nice. And they also have a little ribbon as well that they tied it. And he did actually give me the tights just like that to take a look at them, and I said yes, I'd like to buy these. And they were retailing for $120. Obviously also the tax is going to be different according to where you live, and obviously the tax in Beverly Hills is going to be the tax for Los Angeles, so it was pretty high, but it would have been the same as if I ordered it to my house. So obviously I don't have to pay for shipping or anything. The black Gucci tights I actually did have to pay for shipping. So I think shipping was around $12, and those arrived from Canada. But yeah, here is the little box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get this opening. So hopefully you guys can still see me good and you can see what I'm doing. Obviously I don't have my little table that I usually use, but I'm just gonna open it up on the bed and we're gonna get going. So here we go. So they tied it up pretty nicely. Put that to the side, and oh my gosh, this is so cute, a little tissue paper. And they wrap them so nicely, and here they are, just like this. And so here it actually has the Gucci tag on it, I guess, and it also has the size and just some information about it. This is the first difference that I see compared to the ones that I bought online. And here's what they look like. I did order these in a size medium, like I did with the white ones, and they just seem to fit a lot better. So I don't know if it has like a, oh, here it is. Okay, so yeah, so here it actually says of the serial number and all that. Compared to the white ones or the black ones, they did actually come with a little tag on it. So here's what they look like. They have a little piece of cardboard just to keep its shape, I guess. And they did include the actual receipt in here as well, and it came like this. Okay, so that's how that one looks like, and then it's just a regular receipt like this, and just a transaction like a regular receipt, obviously. So I think this is really cute though. The way that they give you the receipt comes like almost like a little gift card type of setup here. There we go. I actually ended up going on a Sunday, and it was super not busy. Personally think it was a much more fun experience. I'm so excited to get these on, but I want to show you guys how these look like. So here you can see we have the actual tag here. see the size, and then on the back of it here is actually the serial number and to scan it and stuff like that. But you can see on the tights on the waistband it says Gucci on there all around. I do think that the black ones are very classy. I mean, the white ones are as well. I hope you guys can see the logo and the pattern, how it looks like when it's sitting on the cardboard. And then obviously I'm gonna try them on. So I'm actually really happy with these so far. The other black ones that I got, I can tell that it was actually returned, and that's probably why they were available again, because when I bought the white ones, the black version was not even on the website at all. It was just sold out. And I just decided to look for the black ones, and they did have them in stock, and they said they only had one more left, so I quickly went and bought it. And immediately after I bought it, it was not even appearing anymore on my phone. I did look on the website of Essence at first, and they didn't have it on the website, but they did have it on the app. So if you guys are looking for this version and you want to buy it from Essence or Gucci themselves, first of all, I'd actually recommend to buy from the Gucci store if you can. But if not, because I know that they're super sought after, and I mean, these were one of the last few pairs left, I would recommend getting them secondhand on Poshmark or Mercari or Depop. I see them all the time on there. Obviously the prices are going to be marked up because they are sought after. So I'm pretty excited to try these on, so let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'll be honest with you guys, I love the black version a lot more than the white version. I think they're just very, very classy. So what's interesting is that actually taking out or putting them on, I had to take out the tag. And I think that you wouldn't get a chance to try them on and see for fit. If you wanted to return them, obviously the tag has to be intact if you want to return them, so I'm definitely not going to return these. Like I said, I do want to keep them for myself anyways, and actually wear them and enjoy them. And I really, really like the style of them. I think they're so beautiful. And yeah, I don't know, they feel so luxurious. They smell really nice too, honestly. But yeah, I love the black version. I usually wear black tights a lot more than white tights. I think I only have one pair of other white tights, but you guys can decide what you like more. But I just want to give you guys an honest review of how the black ones are compared to the white ones. If you can, I really do recommend for you to actually go to the Gucci store themselves or order off the Gucci website. Obviously they're sold out on the website, so you can still contact customer service and see if they have any left in stock, or they will let you know if there's any stores in your area that could possibly have them and carry them. But yeah, if you can go to the actual Gucci store and buy them, I 100% recommend it. It was actually a lot cheaper to buy them from the Gucci store compared to when I bought them on Essence, actually. I mean, the white ones and the Gucci store ones were the same price they came out to, with the same total, because they have free shipping. But the Essence website, since I had to pay for shipping, it came out to around $12 more. So obviously it makes a pretty big difference. I mean, for some people they don't care, but I guess you can decide what works for you. So I actually really, really like them. I think they're super beautiful, and they just, it's a nice piece to have. So I will say, I'm very happy that I ordered them in the size medium, the same that I did for the white ones. Definitely size up if you can. They do run a little bit small, but they obviously get stretched out the more you wear them. So definitely size up if you can. I'm usually a size small in tights and most of my clothing, but medium seems to fit me a lot better, and they just feel a lot more comfortable. They feel so classy. They're super classy, and they feel so soft and beautiful. And I definitely don't want to rip a hole in them because they're so expensive, but I'm gonna do my best to keep them in good condition, but still enjoy them too, because if I'm just letting them sit in the box all day, then, you know, what's the point? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also leave down the comments below what you guys thought of it. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, definitely let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!